Let's kere separate them.
Open up.
Open the door.
Yeah.
Natutubi.
Ha.
Kali ada tutubi kan do kelanga kal ngone.
Iya.
Go kali ada tutubi.
Kali.
Iya.
Kesasian na kali sa chiko nga kanya.
Kali me baba.
Mamam yo tutubi.
Iya. Good morning.
Nanontangon baru takina ouch palangi show.
Don menaka, do mabini menaka chiko may punjus na nabay toko ni tiko may kado celebrating 90 years na nabay ngarabi wali. And nonta bo no lamani go biti do pula menaka na staff todo ko sarne punjus.
Winabalebu.
And mataka ni ba dami sigan day bo no ba yo sema to makina. Lamani lori, se lamani taxi, se sandu sema to may lamani numdus to. Sa pangole to ni ba ni binakalebu and mataka ni kuwa.
Julum.
Debs.
Sweet Jamaica and the family is now joining.
Where?
Tamay
Who's?
the people from Sabubungale in Tailebu.
Alright.
To Mbubuchi and also to Mbusamu.
Iyo.
Napana Tajim, Tine Bianca, Tine Indiana.
Right.
And also the family joining from Sweet Jamaica. Woy Lambasa, Tukana and Lawa.
Oh, right. Karena karena tu tahu gir-gir sih kan no.
Iya.
Karena tu kan vital no apa tak kira apa taruh membalet na no muni job.
Ay bolo. Manjeri hai.
Oh bumo. Siobum.
Iya.
Karena bikin beri na tahu goli.
Right.
Bikin beri na tahu nunu.
Iya.
Tahu nunu. Kenapa boleh besar na sesanga?
Right.
Kenapa boleh berusaha na dalam bekar mata mata.
Right.
Ira nandang goli.
Nimbul di bupali.
Oh.
Ira nandang goli. Batikir nandang dabong nandang. Saya ira nandang wakata. Ira nandang
Basa.
Ira nandang. Go erua na job.
Iyo.
Chiko sarang nga na nandang makatangin nga ni kon.
Oi.
Iyo.
Iyo, erandau tu na kenandau.
Iyo.
Kaya kay katundua na buwa kartor le sumay na ngoner to maimbiu. Do na buwa liu kito sanga me kay katurua.
Kila mo na chiko ka. Ando masasa.
Kwa nga tuko na there's one fella there. Wala tami sa babitin kango. There's one fella rosa bisibital no tiko tukay mua. And one fella from Mbumbuli.
Right.
From Naway Somo.
Right.
Momombuli yanare. And Nemada from Naway Somo dong ya in Bua. Wainunu. So this fella they was talking to each other. You know what? The smartest dog I take during hunter. They are very, very rough. You know this one, this small dog? He got a good esophagus.
Oi.
Jangan natap ko ngali-ngali.
Ngals.
Ankle ko rin na stock ini. So from there, the jaw, he got a strong jaw. When he bite the jaw, when bite the pig, when he bite the pig, he can separate it. Very strong. Even though you take the pig, you hold it up. Yeah, because that teeth is very strong in the jaw.
He loves the pig.
He loves the pig by eating. So when the fella always taking up, mother there atong kon no koli. Sangay sini oroki.
Small dog.
Oi. Then another big stomach or rakara. Then coming back this dog. And he asking, what about your dog? You know my dog? I want to tell you something.
Big dog.
When my dog enter the forest.
What happened?
When my
dog enter the forest, all the forest die.
On my dog enter the forest. All the pig climb. You know kamo sa doon dara na puno ni basasa. Nanogo koli. Ora kaya na koli na buwa kaya kamba bunikaw.
I remember one story
come
last year. About the old man in Mbua, in Lambasa, in Bonoliwe.
Iya.
Kung may sawara ka tumo kaya ka-experience.
Iya.
Kaya patakin na iliw ni Mbua kasama sa tumo.
Iya.
Number
Kaya kartukin ko na may sabi samutan na.
Okay, this is a true story.
Right.
This is a true story.
Right.
One day.
Una naman sila na make-up story.
Not a make-up story. This is a true story.
Because this one is very good at making up story.
No, Michaele. This is a new year.
Okay.
Everything has been buried.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, from last year.
Now I know.
Pales Kurdibi and the family before we start the story.
Meron na ka pa Domeke Ben Seru. We say good morning to John Kumar. Meron na ka brother Amela Luiso Lebu dan Benaka. Licha Christian Masindilo. Aser Tibanga.
Sama Masindilo ngori.
Bilay Senia Tom Tamay Sami.
Right.
tamay semi.
Gori.
Bola rego i Hastings New Zealand.
Miau.
Nireu ani nahoroi tabulomon tamambua.
Bola re.
Va dombario sola i nahoro. Atun cimpagana kena.
Don't.
If you bury something atu, you know very well, it will be easy for us to go, dig it and bring it again.
This is
They Messi dia. They Messi bury, rebury, reopen.
Reopen ko rin nasudu. Na enrollment. So this fella was there.
Where?
There in the bush. So the people in the village, like the district, was surrounded by something that they gonna remember in life. Tili isay mula minaka tamay remasi seminate to also to sabena the river. From yaketin ba mita signam mula minaka skat suko na tambua and the family from the Lamanimbari Koribuli district Nratambu Nandi Master skat suko na tambua. Thank you very much.
JB, Baba Road.
They was talking to each other. You know, in the meeting. So everybody was coming. So the village headman was begging the people in the village. Please come, each man in the village. Please bring one bundle of ndalo. We have one occasion here in front of us. So we need to Kapawanua. So we have to bring one bundle of ndalo. Each. Them. So they was there in the meeting. Nobody bring the bundle of ndalo. So the problem they was looking to solve. So the village headman called the village meeting.
Great Council of Chief.
Come. We go in the hall. We're gonna talk about. See, I can see now during my leadership. You people don't listen to what I'm telling. I'm not there. I'm not volunteer to be a village headman. You the people here. You choose me. To them. To be the village headman. The one you choose. You never listen to. So I want to ask you, why no bundle of ndalo? What's a problem? And the people said, because
Silly Rosen.
no. Because of the pig.
There
There was two hen. Katundua. Mga taginarun linga, two hen. Katundua. A pig in the forest. Last week, here, Daddy Aparama, Tamay Aparama. Going to the bush. All the dog been punctuality. Erama po kaya may. Nanokoli. Waway tumba.
So Mama Sidil said, go and bring one bundle of pig.
Bundle of pig ko rin may wata na pakangkara. So they was there. You know what? Okay. You people, if you want to survive in this
where?
In there. In the land, you have to cover
your mouth.
Your bundle.
Okay.
Right, tunu.
Ninda uda bundalop. Ni Maro minaka kenen benu. Don't ever put roughly. Don't ever rough your pulling. You have to put properly whatever things that you come into a farm. That's our living. The pig can eat your farm.
The leaves and the branches and everything.
So from there, they was talking to each other. They do 3 months. They doing no change.
Pig still there.
Pig still there. The one who was planted 2 weeks ago, up on the ground.
No lena.
Iyo, wala sang kati, ala ko sa total tun dalan ningel. Thomas Kautian roy na kemraw. So they bukan bikaw. The people, oh no, that's not the normal pigga. That's not the normal boa. That one is something else.
Must be the line.
They was talking to each other like that. So
this is not normal.
Okay, this is not normal. We try to solve this problem. So the village headman, please, to all the hunters in this village, if you are retired, if you think of your land, if you think of the district, if you think of your people, please do something. Fight for us. Kesa nga nandaw singa na kautamay, the desert they will bring to this land.
Fiji the land and the people.
Fiji the land and the desert.
So from there the people came.
Where?
They take the moto. They take the spear.
The weapons.
The weapon.
No
the weapon. They take the weapon.
No gun.
No gun. This is Fiji boy.
Oi.
They take the ting. Ngiri na moto.
Okapi there.
Okapi.
Right.
Then you kill They take it. They take it. All the 5-7 dogs come together. So 7 was volunteer.
Yeah.
One of them is
7
like
hunter.
the expert one. Was going with them too.
Right.
They going to the bush. So when they go, kwa bakame kwa sararita tungo mbule bela katoba tachito lutu. So
true story.
This is a true story, based on true story.
Oi, based on true story.
They going sala ko mayo ko ya sala ko dagarta sala ko bikaw. Sala ko tuloy ko na experience ko ya.
Bula.
Okay, this is the plan.
What?
Experience ko na kasi.
Right.
This is the plan. U6. You go like this. You na bibadu. Kumdo na leono. Do pas bango. Iyo.
Right.
When they come like this, their plan is according to the weather.
Right.
It's very sunny. So this time, this pig, they will somewhere close to the water. They'll go and bathing there.
Right.
So they will be in the lutu. Don't tomu to merangor, namare sili. They will go down there. So you people coming this way, they will. You run them. Nobody will be reminded. So I will be right at the corner.
Right.
Right at the corner. I'll be there. That's the end of. They will run from there.
They will follow that route.
Na munongori na leitini kede maike.
Possible experience.
They come in like this. The tonil still wet.
Oi.
Lag mi bango na mawin ya bana si suwa sartunga. Scout. Sa outdoor to na kuli. Tasere.
Nikua.
Special force. Up down. Then they head. When they ngono sa arto ro da kina na konro. They, you can hear the kind of konro barking.
You can sense something is on.
If something is on. When that mean running. Running. Sekono tunga. When like this.
Right?
Ya sasongo. But no songo.
Oi.
Ni kalebu.
Oi.
Katundua, the size, the length.
Keep on running.
Keep on running. The dog can stop.
Oi.
Sakan duelo. Sini laughing. Pangangaradangi.
Iya.
Satumbu. Dolidum neranga. And the teeth is circulated.
Oi.
Esa wabibi.
Andina. How many rounds? Like the mosquito coil.
Katal tu na jalebi. They coming, running, round. Up.
And the experience one?
Experience out, waiting on top. With the okapi, file tabo tungo na okapi rabitu sa redo ka. Kalieliango sa ormai. Nikua. Esa nambulan na nonton kinabaturanga. The hope is within the hand. The hope.
We will grow.
This will be the momentum we was waiting for.
Na idolo na kake de membole tana esa na wate kira chikina.
Sanambola na bonua.
Kada kasona commented we share with us. The momentum takes it there.
So they was waiting along the way. They had the boys coming from the dog.
Closer
and closer. We can see the fella. The drowning market and now they talking. The Rembu. And the people. Sa pasi daga mai santo tan kinere ni sa suwa mai. Kona buaka sa rebang kona kase. Nasili betul.
Luvet.
The oldies. Sareo nang kasi. Sarito ko na liyan ko sa lumit kami. The experience one. Sa hope sa tungo to nang kaslay ba. Baka ding ngurang ngoni.
Tapos na kulina sa baba ko tu.
Asin bero to nang kasi mur baka ding. Play ba ko raw so tadala. So tamo na okapin ko rin daw paele. Nisan daw paele tamo tu na selin nang kasi. Enta sakila binaka. Ngununra ngori. Reda kene bandin din ngor to naman memori. Reda kene bandin din sini biya tauri moto ka taranga na isele. Na saraba ni ko na daka mana na da na bekaw.
Sambulo hoy nunu.
Sambulo hoy sini hoy nunu. Sambulo ni ko na buno. And the people will be alive. There will be no more desert in this land. Pasi satu kami sur sa rebang ko nang kasi no, this one is a land. ken balabu. I can see the hair growing from the back. Antenna is growing now. I can see the tail is been circulated. No, sabah sama tasar ko na nabuka. Naweli buso kete menungusuna. Sa file itu na matina ni buka ko file takap kati ko na matina. Dam na matana sa. Abuso eh? Abuso.
Dr. Kuli, the sound effects.
Sound effect, no more sound effect. Sabu sangan do ko sa muruan tunga sangal tunga ko me bata kila tu bertan kena bona sa kin. Me ada mandang
na kena bona kuli sa
iyo, de me hama boa. Sa di mai sa rebang konang ka sa re ko na liang ko sala ko mai. Hair growing at the back of his back.
Right.
The mouth is abuso, saliva are coming. The eyes is red. The teeth is growing. The back is red. O kabang ko the back is red. Is very to sa sama tako ko na balik. Sa dalay ke na mati sa taraw. Ombuti me balik so.
Easily.
Then from there. Alay pemantang konang kasi mesapas.
Oi.
Rabi na kasara ibu ni kau. Apas. Arto sa there may muro to na kera boda. Ba, what's wrong? Senimberang ano ko ya. Hey. Lucky. Lucky the head is in front. If the back was coming first, I will be the first corrector. Lucky the head was first. If the back was coming back, no, I was the one who was doing the first corrector. True story this one. Yeah.
Naka, wala mo. Ayaw, wala mo po yung want to post corrector the pig.
Nabalabu punches. Alam na ang punches.
Celebrating 90 years.
Gori.
Nenda chuko rosini ngau.
Helai.
Ayaw sarang Siya ingora do mumbulanjina. Meli na dale wendra benaka fio na loma ni seseni.
Usar na boys.
Iya. Kaya ili na muna kerto ki sar na boys. Sini madala ya rucin teloro mana budi.
Tintal dalam mata bang. Awai baka biti. Amin manu.
Kerto na boys itu tu. Apa itu ko?
Sabu soyan.
Hey. Senata benaka teks masih.
Belum naka.
Don singa tali ni ko mo ta sabo rekisara no to ko dinangani mata tu nawai satu kan itu marau
gando marau rarawa kata-kata lei
bila senya na valeu dona mo likes dona mo share share taga no page sona page ko le na mer saraba no mo pre mai tala no ani fuskareka mai huana boka ni mikau maybe oinu no
ha abang ko ha.
Ya benar kami kira kantor di talon sih.
Why nunu koi kola ni ralu?
Tu na kantor rawa mi birang kas melo kortu tu soal talon sih dah tu on di dorbo. Atau mi biyo situ kina na mata di ko. Ka tu kan ibin rebaki.
Right.
Pete ko bina tu kina nanta soga ada singa tu situ bina kan.
Wili.
Tu na urus ini ngau gore atau me mono apart ben. Saya mau dirokin miambul re.
Rombole ye.
Ande sanada losa lini kana salu.
Tamai kesa. Temot, não boleh nak kamai New South Wales.
Right.
Lipa.
Lume.
Fiona Lomani, amen rap.
Keme aliu maina muna.
Iya, kelu mena muna maka waramboka. Awa kaya mama ay mambuko na maka. Awa alaya. Alaya meto.
Usah itu kan kira di borong belmai untuk lihat. Right. Nisya tak ada bagaimana bentuk bentuk rebaki. Erbuna tu bangai rong makin na wakan nisya tokani.
Right.
Kira nemu friends
Ili kimi amai Josi. Tamai Josi ili kimi ngo.
Belum naka.
Iyo saka. Doyanra.
Eni. Waduh bina kan buku di tokani kemuni.
Bina balebu.
Blessed day rosni ngau.
Like, share. Ndemesi.
Go kurumundo.
Ayo mika galung bola.
Ay, saya lakang ko.
Lustali.